Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn Python in Replit. First, navigate to Replit's website and sign up for a free account. Replit provides an excellent online integrated development environment, or IDE, for Python. This means you can write, run, and debug your Python code directly in your web browser without any local setup. It is a fantastic tool for beginners and experienced developers alike. Once you are logged in, creating your first Python project is straightforward. Simply click the Create REPL button, usually found on your dashboard. From the list of programming language templates, choose Python. Replit will then automatically set up your workspace, including a main.py file where you can begin writing your code immediately. This process takes only a few seconds. Now that your REPL is ready, you can start coding. Type your Python instructions into the editor pane, which is typically on the left side of your screen. When you are ready to see your code in action, simply click the large Run button. Your program will execute, and any output, such as print statements, will appear in the console pane on the right. It is a seamless and interactive experience. To further enhance your Python learning, Replit offers several powerful features. You can easily install external Python libraries using its built-in package manager, expanding your project's capabilities. Explore the vast community projects to see how others build applications, and even fork them to experiment. Additionally, engage with Replit's tutorials and coding challenges to continuously deepen your programming expertise.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.